Every departure, aircraft that need to get de-iced will have to come through the central de-icing facility here at YVR. We help get these people to their destinations. My name is Randall Maria. I'm a de-icing trainer and lead for Aeromag.
The aircraft can't fly if it has any contamination on its wing surfaces, so we are having to get rid of that frost and snow on the aircraft so it's allowed to take off and get into the air safely.
Pilots of the aircraft will call us before they start taxiing, let us know that they have snow or frost on their aircraft. We'll then get our ice house, people up in the tower there, to let us know that we have an aircraft incoming to our de-icing facility or de-icing bay.
Philly 9, proceed, Air Canada 552, winds and tails at 1.
Once the aircraft arrives, taxis in, they'll let us know what our treatment is, if it's wings and tail type 1, if we're spraying the entire fuselage. Type 1 allows us to remove the contamination from the aircraft surfaces, so things like frost or snow that is sticking onto the wings. Type 4 is an anti-icing fluid, so it'll help us protect the wing from any type of active precipitation, such as snow, freezing fog, freezing rain.
Our de-icing team consists of about 120 members. They work hard out there and they're here for long hours and getting those aircraft off the ground safely. We practice over the entire fall into the winter, and we continue practicing until the snowfall comes. And that helps us maintain a high level of standards even if we don't get the weather, and we maintain our safe operations.